Adina here from Curly Girl Studio, curl educator and author of the ABCs, owner of Curly Girl Studio. What I want to share with you today is that we've put together transformation kits. So years as an educator across Canada teaching stylists to cut, I've also taught a number of clients, hundreds and probably thousands of clients at Curly Girl Studio, how to transform their waves and curls at home. I want to give you the power to do this at home. So it took me about 7 years, but I wrote my book, The ABCs, How to Always Be Curly and Love It. 178 pages, jam-packed full of information to help you transform your curls. Everything from washing, conditioning, styling, drying your curls, sleeping curly, diffusing your hair, what colors to use if you're coloring your hair, transitioning out from gray. The book just has endless possibilities to help anybody weave your curly to embrace their natural texture. In the kit, we're going to include the ebook copy of the ABCs. We're going to include 3 shampoo clarifying bars, 100% natural. We're also going to include our PinkPik. It's awesome for detangling the hair, sectioning the hair. You can use it to hold it up. It's really good to help with diffusing. If you can't really manage the clipping, it will help you give lift at the top. Super soft prongs, gently detangles the hair without scratching and pulling on the hair. We're also going to include root lifting clips for fine and medium texture hair, claw clips, jaw clips for the thicker texture hair. When you order your kit, you pick it according to thickness of hair. So this is for the finer hair, medium texture hair, the mini paddle, the medium paddle, and then the Denman style brush for thicker hair. And we're going to include the styling brush cleaner as well. And then we also have our hair tubes. Okay, there's going to be options there, variations to pick. Rock your curls in black ombre, rock your curls in pink ombre, rock your waves with the teal. So you have 3 options there. You just put them on your head to sleep like that. If you have thicker texture hair, you can fold it in half and just rest it on the top, kind of like a skull cap. So when you wear your winter hat, that's going to help buffer the drying effects of the winter hat head frizz. Then you have the option to pick a silk bonnet. So we have our silk bonnets here. They're by size. So when you pick your transformation kit, just drop down menu and pick the color of the bonnet you want according to size. Our bonnets are a little bit different than some online. They aren't ruffled, so they do stay on the head better. A soft band at the front, 3 ties at the back to adjust the size when you tie it. Soft ruffles at the side as well. 100% mulberry silk. And also our newest products going to be included. 3-ounce packet of our just leave-in 100% natural, yes, 100% natural leave-in styling cream to hydrate your curls. So check out the kits below. It's in our shop. If you're looking to turn those curls around and learn from the curl expert, an educator and author, I'm just so happy to be able to share my knowledge with you. So just check it out on our website, curlygirls.ca, and thank you for watching. Hey, and listen, if you're looking to give somebody a holiday gift, this is a great gift to give. And also, if you're traveling, what better time to spend transforming your curls than when you're not at home or not at the office, having to do a different style for your hair. So definitely pick it up if you're going away or taking time off during winter break, or give it to somebody in your life that has wavy or curly hair that you want to help them take care of their hair at home to bring out their natural texture. Adina out for now. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.